What's up with it? Nigga.
Oh, you want me to say it with you?
What?
What's up with it?
I'm just playing. What is up with it, my beautiful family, my Jordy Will family? How y'all doing? Tell me something I don't know, man. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how y'all day was. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like doing all that kind of shit. It's your boy Jordy.
And it's your girl Brooke.
And today we are back at you with another video, man. Cooking video. As a matter of fact, though, you know what I'm saying? We trying to feed y'all today. That's all. We just trying to feed y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all look hungry. Y'all came to my crib. You know what I'm saying? Brooke gonna cook for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Everything on me. You know, it might be great value from Walmart or from Ingles or some Laura Lynn, but hey, it's food. All right, Brooke?
Right.
So we gonna let Brooke take over. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get, you know, what we making today, man? What we making tonight?
Y'all.
And don't be laughing at this on my head. Brooke made it for me and I'm wearing it.
I crocheted this myself.
She knitted this bitch.
Not knit, I crocheted.
Anyway.
Anyways, y'all.
What? Tell me.
Tonight, oh my god, tonight we are gonna be making keto lasagna.
Damn, you look so aggressive. Damn, this better be a good ass lasagna. That's all I'm gonna say.
This is the best lasagna you ever tried. That's how good it is. It's the best lasagna you've ever had.
It ain't better than my mama.
Well, your mama ain't never made me lasagna, so as of right now, it is. Here.
Bro, don't we talk about my mama, bro?
What?
Don't we talk about my mama like
or
that?
what?
Alright, you just.
Okay then.
I'm gonna go ahead and pass on that one.
Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? First, y'all
ready,
gotta know.
nigga, don't we look hungry? We look hungry. I'm hungry. Come on.
Alright, so first of all, what you gonna need is
all your ingredients.
You gonna need Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, mozzarella.
Damn, you Billy Goat?
Cream cheese. When you're on keto, you probably need fat filled, not fat free, full fat cream cheese. We got cream cheese.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, moving on.
Okay.
Alright. So we got the Pam, the olive oil Pam. You know, got your Italian seasoning.
It's great value, but whatever.
Onion salt.
Whatever.
Garlic powder.
Okay.
Basil.
Ooh, what?
Basil.
Damn, you sound like you dropped down. Go ahead.
Alright. You gonna need some eggs.
Poultry.
Need some poultry.
Go ahead then. What else?
Alright, and then you
yes. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
You need some marinara sauce. Lastly. Now the reason why we have 3 marinara sauce / pasta sauce is because
pasta sauce.
You see, what had happened was over time we just collected on some.
She said over time. Go ahead, babe. And proceed. You were saying what now?
I'm so done. Anyways, over time we have collected marinara sauce because we thought we were out. We actually had some. We only used like half of each one, so
we're gonna finish them.
We're gonna finish them.
Bottoms up. We're gonna tip them bitches off, right?
That's right. How you gotta do it.
So let's get it cooking. Damn.
All right. So you got all our ingredients. Oh. Main ingredient, most important. You need meat.
I mean.
Stop. That is nasty. We ain't doing that shit on cooking. No. Alright, first off, we gonna make the noodles. Or the noodles.
This keto.
Because it is keto, so we're not eating pasta. Some homemade noodles. Alright, so you're gonna need you a pan. Now, it doesn't have to be this big, but then again, it's what works best because we're making the keto lasagna.
Bigger is better.
Go ahead, get you that.
Size doesn't matter.
Turn on the oven to...
Yes, this bitch is the first stove ever made. We done covered that one time.
It is. Alright, we're gonna turn it to bake, and we're gonna turn that bit to 365.
You gonna sizzle that noodle, girl. You gonna sizzle that noodle, girl.
Alright, y'all. So, like I said, we making the noodles first, just because they take the longest to make, right?
Okay.
So, right now, you need your mixer. And yes, this was what the meat was in. We had to dump out the water real quick.
Drain the meat.
But, alright.
Whisk the biscuit.
Now, what you gonna need for the first step? 2 large eggs.
Poultry.
Some poultry.
Give me some of that poultry.
Got your 2 eggs. Oh, okay.
Damn,
okay, it's okay.
I ain't eat no damn shells.
Guys, you got your eggs in there. You got the eggshell left.
Yeah, get the egg out there.
Wash your hands off. You don't want to transfer whatever that thing is. Salmonella, is that what it is?
vanilla wafer. Vanilla wafer.
Vanilla.
Go ahead, damn.
Okay, and then you're going to need 4 ounces, just 4 ounces of cream cheese. That's half a pack. You're going to want to open it up.
Ooh. Tell me how you open that. Ooh.
Ooh, wait.
Ooh, damn. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Ready?
We'll eat it.
Ready?
That shit sounded so
That did not
nice.
sound. That did not sound so nice. Alright, now you just gonna wanna.
I was playing.
Man! You gonna unplug my whisk? How you just gonna unplug me like that?
Nah, bro.
Alright, you ready?
I quit looking at your mama ass. I'm just kidding.
You gonna whisk it together?
Alright.
Doesn't sound nice, but that's alright. You ready?
Okay.
Alright, now after you got it mixed up, you see how well mixed up it is?
Ooh. Nice and creamy.
Oh my god. Alright, next you're gonna want 1/4 cup of your Parmesan cheese, right? That's some of y'all got that the little powder.
Show me
type
what you
stuff.
gonna do with the thing, babe. Damn. I like the way you flick that wrist. I like the way you flick that wrist. I like the way you flick that wrist. I like the way you flick that wrist.
Alright, next you're gonna want, this is a 1/2 teaspoon.
Onion salt.
But you're gonna want 1/4.
Okay.
Boy, you ain't serious. You want 1/4 teaspoon of onion salt.
Onion salt.
Put that in there real quick. Whew. Dump that right in there. You need 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Get that out.
Shake it. Shake that motherfucker.
Shake what your mama gave you. Ready? Whew. Oh.
Damn, okay, don't quit walking to the bowl.
1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning.
Hell, you sound like a drill sergeant. Stop talking like that. Like a, I don't know what you sound like, but you damn making me want to disobey you a little bit for some reason. Cause you just sound so stern and just
Okay.
strict. Just
I don't
want
mean
to
to sound
be
stern.
disobedient, nigga. I just want to not listen like I did in school.
And you're just gonna stir it up.
Alright, so you gotta whisk it up again.
Yeah, whisk it up.
Mix all the ingredients. Now listen, this is really good. I done had it, okay? I vouch for you. Jordy will, you know what I'm saying? And I approve this message. This is good. Bon appetit. So make it. Tell me what y'all think. Or whatever. Woo. Swoop.
Gotta make sure all the ingredients are in there.
Damn. Damn, you okay?
It got stuck. Now that you got it mixed up, again, you're gonna want to take one
There's a lot of stuff going on in this
and
thing,
1/4
bro. Damn.
cup. I know, but listen, it's gonna be bomb. You want
Okay,
keto?
yeah.
You're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. So we just gonna.
Mozzarella.
And then you're supposed to fold it up with a spatula. Now I fold it in there.
Show them how you fold the money,
You
baby.
gotta fold it.
That
Fold.
shit look like some noodles
Fold.
and some cheese.
Fold.
You just made some noodles and cheese. That's all.
Noodles and cheese.
What
That's
is
all.
that?
I stir it up, just slow
Okay.
for good measure. Good measure. Now speed it up a little bit.
Hell, like it, please.
You gotta speed it up a little bit.
Alright, don't get your finger, bro. Don't break your finger, bro.
I'm not. I was trying to get this in
You
there.
can't eat it. You gotta cook it.
I want to eat it.
Y'all don't forget about your oven. Don't let your house catch on fire now.
All right, listen. While that's doing that, you're gonna take your pan. All right.
Okay.
You go.
Damn, bro, you just hit me with my damn left nut. The right one, I mean.
I meant to. What you mean? You can either line it with parchment paper, or if you just cheat like
Chuck,
us,
you better not.
or if you just cheat like us, get some spray.
Somebody spray that thing, girl.
Spray that thing down.
Brooke be spraying it. Brooke
Gotta
be
make sure you get your
spraying like a
size.
skunk.
All right.
Spraying
We
it.
good? We good?
What?
How do you take this thing off?
What are you doing? Hold that for me. Teamwork. Make the dream work. Yeah, right. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Oh,
Give
I'm
it.
just trying to give
it.
Sorry.
Let go. Now you got this, right? You got it. Just
We
fold it in a
looking,
little bit more.
we looking. We just want some lasagna, that's all.
You just want to dump that in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you just want to bake,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I guess that one all by myself, mama. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. It look a little different than usual.
No, it do. No. I said no, it do not.
No, it do not. That's what I would say, girl. You started thought like me, girl. Make it.
Leg too strong.
Hell nah.
Too strong. All right. Now, if you have a big pan, you need to make double. That's what you need to do. You need to make double, and we gonna make double to last us all week.
We eat all week! Damn, Brooke, you got a strong ass hand. Why does it look like a pregnancy test?
What? All right. So once you got all of it covered, right? Make sure the whole bottom is covered. You're just gonna take it. You gonna ooh,
Ooh!
a little hot.
A little hot.
A little hot.
Ooh! Oh, sorry. Wrong.
Put it in there for 20 to 25 minutes. You want to wait. Okay? While we waiting, we're going to cook the hamburger meat. You want to make sure you brown it.
Okay.
You want to make sure it's all nice and good.
Okay, brown.
Ready
like
to
me.
eat.
Brown. No, a little darker than me. Darker than trap. Okay.
So,
About the same color, Brooke.
you want to cook about a pound of it. A pound of hamburger meat. But, you might go ahead and
Yeah, you
cook
got a pound?
2 pounds.
Shit, you got a pound?
A pound.
You got a pound?
A pound.
Yeah.
We actually got 2 pounds.
How much? Shit, how much you got that go for?
I mean, we already took a pound off, so about 15, 20.
15 for a pound?
For a pound.
Oh, we talking about 2 different things. Go ahead, man.
So, went ahead, browned the meat. You know, look at that. Look at it. It's already ready.
It's brown.
It's ready. It's ready. All right, now, like I said, for 1 serving, it's 20 to 25
We get it,
minutes.
nigga.
Now, we doubled it, so it's taking a little bit longer, but look at it. Look, it's getting all
Looking like a pizza.
getting ready at the top. So we just gotta leave it in there for a little bit longer. Just let me cook. Let me do me. Got it.
Okay.
Ah,
shit! Ah!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Why would you
Go ahead.
touch
I'm alright.
that?
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Anyway.
Okay, so
I'm just kidding.
I'm just laying down some mats so we can put this in the fridge, right?
Yeah.
We just gonna put it in there. We're gonna let it sit for about 20, 30 minutes while we focus on the meat. If you make it in 1 serving, you're just gonna need a pinch of salt.
Okay.
But we make it 2 servings, so we're gonna add another pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and since we're doing 2 servings, we're doing 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of basil. Now you gonna want to stir it.
That shit sound burnt. We have the meats. Bum, 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 bum.
You are not the dude from the Arby's commercial. Let me just tell you. Ooh, baby, which one you want? Which one you want?
Yes, go with the
Flavor with meat?
yes.
Okay. You want this marinara sauce, so if you have 1 serving, you're gonna have to get 3/4.
But we doing 2,
of a
baby.
cup.
They get we doing 2. So just
Okay, well I'm using a 1/4 cup, so
Okay.
you want 3/4 cup of marinara sauce. I mean, of course we're doing 2, so we're gonna double it, but you just want 3/4. This is about to be the best damn keto lasagna on the block. You're just gonna mix it up and you're gonna let it simmer for about 10, 20 minutes while that is cooling, okay?
So what?
About 10, 20 minutes. Alright, y'all. Once you've let it cool down, you just wanna try and get this bit.
Fry that thing out. Fry it out. Peeling it like a potato.
Peeling it. Start peeling that cat back. You might get a couple little pieces. That's alright. That's rule number 1.
You look like you struggling.
I kind of am, actually. Hold on.
Okay.
We're going to set it right there for a minute. We still let it simmer a bit. Nothing too crazy.
Let's stir that thing up. Man, this is your meat pasta. I mean, this is your
Marinara meat. So, since we got so much pasta sauce.
Come on, girl. Use them damn games you been getting in the gym. What's up? Damn!
You know what? Whatever. It's alright to be a little bit messy in the kitchen. It's cool. Alright, so what you gonna do? Take a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce. And you just gonna...
Ooh, diamond. Ooh, damn.
But we gonna take another 1/4. Alright, I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there.
I feel that.
Because you the cook, so you gonna eyeball it however you feel is necessary.
I feel that.
Are you feeling it?
I feel your hunger.
Alright, now if you make enough of this in like a little pan, you can cut to layers. You can layer it like actual,
Noodles,
you know, whatever.
But we just keep ours on the bottom like a piece of cake.
Because it's huge, alright, it's huge. So layer the bottom with the marinara sauce, and now we gonna put all of this on top.
Ooh!
Just like that, just like that. Now, we are gonna put just a layer, a little light layer. Right there, right on in there.
Light layer?
Yeah, no, we're gonna put all of that in there.
For real?
For real. We're gonna put all of it in there.
Oh, sorry.
Boy, I'll throw some meat at you.
I throw some meat at you.
Shut up. Now, you're just gonna spread it out.
Oh, shit!
Spread it out.
You're hot, Brooke.
Yeah, I know. We just cooked it. Look, you got it all nice and even. All right, so now for the last little bit, you're gonna get some mozzarella cheese. You just
Okay. Ooh, I like the way you sprinkle that shit up on it. Ooh.
Strong legs, strong legs. Just sprinkle it all over top. Sprinkle it all over top.
Okay, I'm liking it. I'm chilling.
All right, you probably gonna use all this cheese.
That whole 2 cups. Oh, and Jadir, by the way, bro, I'm gonna make some mashed cauliflower for you. You know what I'm saying? So, if some of y'all want to see that, y'all definitely stay tuned. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss it. You know what I'm saying? Watch this thing with the cheese on. You know.
Make sure you cover it.
Go ahead and do that right now. You know what I'm saying? If you at it, go ahead and smash that like button. You ain't did that yet.
Got all the cheese on there. Now,
top it off.
Top it off with Italian seasoning. Y'all know how we do. Now we're just gonna put it back in the oven. Oven's still on 375. Let that bake. You gotta let the cheese, pepperonis, just let it melt, let it bake all over it. Only for, a little bit of time, not too long. Just make sure you eyeballing it, make sure it's melted.
Okay.
And then that's it. Then when you gonna see it when we done. You gonna see it when we done, right?
I know that shit look nasty as hell.
Shut up. See this kitchen.
We got this bitch.
This damn kitchen. Boy, you better get back here.
Hell no. Damn, girl, when you change shirts.
Y'all, I had to change out of my marinara covered shirt, but it's alright. Y'all ready?
Hey, why you put
It's
it
time.
on? You got a strap on you.
Time.
Oh, it's time. Dang.
Oh, you smell it?
Yes, I'm smelling it. Wow, that's just the same. I'm just playing. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all go and give it a big old thumbs up if you did, man. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. So many more videos coming, but we ain't gonna.
Let us know if y'all tried it.
Yeah, we just gonna probably put it up. We're not gonna eat it. I will show y'all and everything, but it's really good. It's really good. That's all I'm gonna say. So
just try it. You have to
try it. But I hope y'all
if,
enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed Brooke's little show. Oh, go ahead, Brooke.
If there's anything else that y'all would want us to cook or like show y'all how we make it, just let us know.
We down to do it because we love to eat. We out this bitch. Team Jordy.
Team Brooke.
We'll see you on the next video. What's up with it?